Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this nice and soft cheesecake. First, for the base, we start by putting 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of corn flour, some dates, and 1/4 cup of melted butter into the grinder and mix them well. Once I have grinded it, I'm putting a baking paper on my baking tin, and then I'm putting the base of the cheesecake on my baking tin. And then I'm pressing it flat with a spoon, and then I'll make sure that it's nice and flat by pressing it with the bottom of a glass. Now I'm putting that into a fridge, and I'll be making the top of my cheesecake. For that I'll need 300 grams of cream cheese and half a cup of sugar, and I'm going to be putting the sugar a little at a time so that I can easily mix it. So now I'm mixing that well to get a nice and smooth structure. Now I'm adding 300 milliliters of cream cheese. And mix that well. Here's 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now here you can see I have some lime juice, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of flour. And I'm mixing it, and I add that into my cheesecake mix, and I mix everything together well. Now the top of my cheesecake is ready, and now I'm adding that onto my baking tin, which already have the base of the cheesecake. Now I'm straightening the top. Once I've finished straightening up the top, I'm wrapping the bottom of the baking tin with an aluminium foil. Now I'm done wrapping it with aluminium. Now I put the baking tin on a larger baking tray, and I'm putting some water on the baking tray at the bottom of the baking tin. And after doing that, I'm baking it in 180 degrees for 1 hour. And this is what it looks like after it's baked. And I have unwrapped the aluminium, and here's what it looks like. I hope you've all enjoyed this video, and if you've enjoyed it, please press the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more of this, press the subscribe button and put on notifications. Thank you very much for turning up, and see you all next time.